Menteri Rangba Jongka Jela Ukonrat ke Sangma Ula Penpau Baya ka National Education Policy Arjar Arpau Day Ban Pentri Kam Katbala Haba Ajinkran Ha ka National Workshop on Translating Vision into Action NEP 2020 and Implementation Perspective Kaba Arsngi Hashlong College Ninkasngi Uloong Bakalong Kabakong San Banwat Yakilat Kilinti Kumno Ban Penlong Ya ka National Education Policy Kabajab Bat Ban Penyat Yaka Shakapang Kabadai Katkum ka jingsngau ka jong kalong ka badan kam banyakran halor kani kamat bat ban itu yaki hakwi pat kilang menteri katanat pule puthi balak ban rumboy uloong ba ki college ki bla pau bha ki dei ban shimti bat ban yatri lang bat ki college ha shillong lani ki bashabar jong ka shillong knang ban la ban betin linti lang yaki bat ru ban hikai yaki egi ki batmai.
Thank the faculty and especially the principal and the organizing committee. With the new education policy that has been brought in, we realize that it is a move in the right direction. That it is like a very large ship, and the ship is in a momentum that's moving forward. And now suddenly you're asked to steer the ship and move in a new, better direction. You have to still slowly move, curve it, and then bring it to the right direction. It requires time, it requires effort, it requires a lot of investment in different aspects, and the new education policy is the same. So